As a career counselor, you might be familiar with the following scenario. You have brilliant and motivated students and new grads with sharp interview skills that you've managed to fine-tune. There's one thing that keeps stopping them from getting their first real job, and that's a pre-employment assessment. During our years-long work with students and universities, we've seen this time and time again. But you can now give your students and grads the competitive edge in this challenging stage, and to substantially increase your students' employment rates. JobTestPrep collaborates with elite universities to equip their students and graduates with content, guidance, and preparation for over 100 pre-employment tests for the world's top employers. We specialize in student and graduate tests, so everyone will find what they need. Whether it is access to the internet's largest resource of free aptitude tests or accurate, focused preparation plans for the most lucrative student and graduate jobs. Vacation schemes in law, internship and graduate programs in finance, banking and consulting, graduate and management positions in the private and public sector, and more. To see for yourself the benefits your students can have, click the link above to get a free demo user today.